AVA Roofing and Siding provide many different services from siding to roofing to gutters and trim, and that goes for residential and commercial. We offer 3 types of roofing systems: asphalt shingles, rubber membrane, and monolithic flat roofs. For almost 2 decades, AVA Roofing and Siding has been perfecting the art of roofing. We have the best of the best across the board. What does that mean? First thing first, that will be our employees. Then we take this a step further with our education. We are constantly learning. Next thing is the equipment. It saves us time on the job site and ultimately saves money for our customers. We only use premium products for roofing, siding, and flat roofs. But what ultimately elevates AVA Roofing to another level is our partnership with top-tier brand manufacturers.
Kemper System and AVA Roofing work a lot together across Western New York because AVA believes in quality workmanship and also quality product. This particular job with AVA, what you see is an old aged roof that is over top of an occupied space, a gymnasium.
The first step of this project was to remove 4 inches of saturated foam and rubber layers of roof, and that was not an easy task. Once we had the empty canvas, it was time to prepare that substrate. The substrate is a solid foundation for the flat roof to be built on.
Depending on the job and the substrate condition on the roof, a lot of times it's as simple as priming the concrete deck or the coverboard and then installing our liquid primer, which saturates down into the substrate, then top coat it with layer of liquid resin, reinforcement fleece, and final layer of liquid resin.
Because we're at a school and this roof doubles as a courtyard, we added an element of slip resistance for kids' safety.
Kemper's products, once installed, are exceptional for use in regions and climates we experience here in Western New York. They are maintenance-free, and we do offer numerous colors right from our manufacturer.
Located right here in West Seneca. On top of that, you'll have a world-class warranty.
AVA Roofing is, of course, certified to install Kemper's products on numerous job site conditions, from historical building restoration to commercial flat roof, standing seam metal roof recovery, and of course residential applications as well. There's really no limit to where these products can be installed and then benefit the building owner.
If you'd like to get more information about this particular roof system or any other services that we have to offer, please call us 716-343-ROOF or visit our website, avaroofing.com.